Hello everyone. So today we will discuss another type of a replacement problem. So in the previous session we have discussed a similar type of a problem uh, where we determined the replacement period of a particular machine. That machine can be a vehicle or any type of the machines which is performed which performs in different type of the organizations, correct. So we will solve one problem which is related to the replacement theory in this particular session. Okay, so what it says is the initial cost of the machine is 6100 rupees, and here the resale value drops as the time passes. See, in the previous class the resale value was the same throughout the problem. In this particular problem the only change is that the resale value keeps changing every year. Okay, next the cost data is given in the following table. Okay, so for the first year the maintenance cost, again I will repeat, the maintenance cost is nothing but it can be a repair cost, so on and so forth. Okay, and at the end of the year if owner decides to resell the machine, the cost of the machine or the value of the machine would be 800 rupees. Similarly, in the second year, at the end of the second year, the maintenance cost only for the second year is 250 rupees, and the resale value is 700 rupees. This is at the end of the second year. At the end of the third year, the maintenance cost only for the third year it is 400 rupees. The resale value is 600 rupees. Okay, so on and so forth. 8 years data is given here. Okay, so again the question is the same. We have to determine what is the replacement period of this particular machine. Alright, so now we will discuss the solution of this particular problem. So firstly, the purchase cost of this particular machine is 6100 rupees. We will consider this as C. Now for the first year the maintenance cost is 100 rupees. This is given. This data is given, and this is also given even in the problem statement. So the cumulative maintenance cost is 100 rupees. Resale value is 800 rupees. All these are given. This is also given. Okay, next C minus S plus cumulative maintenance cost, like what we did in the previous problem. So 6100 comes from here, 800 comes from here, and 100 rupees comes from this. Okay, so 6100 minus 800 plus 100, it is this. Okay, so C minus S plus cumulative maintenance cost is 5400. Now last column is average cost. Average cost is nothing but total cost divided by the first year. Okay, so 5400 divided by 1 is 5400. So what it means is, if the owner decides to sell this machine at the end of the first year, the total cost what he has to bear is 5400. That is the meaning. Okay, alright, next, continuing this problem for the second year. Okay, so the first year data is the same like what it was in the previous page. Now for the second year the maintenance cost is 250. This is given in the problem. Now next, cumulative maintenance cost is nothing but 250 plus 100. So 250 plus 100, 250 plus 100 is 350. That is the cumulative maintenance cost for the second year. Resale value is 700, which is given. Okay, again we are supposed to calculate C minus S plus cumulative maintenance cost. 6100, 700 is the resale value at the end of the second year, and the cumulative maintenance cost is 350. So total it is 5750. Okay, now average cost is nothing but total cost divided by the year, that is 2. Alright, so which comes out to be 2375. Now what it means is that if the owner resells this machine at the end of the second year, then the owner has to bear 2375 every year. Okay, so 2375 for the first year as well as for the second year. Okay, So that is the meaning of this particular solution. Next, now we continue this problem. Why? Because if we have to see the previous, I'm going to the previous sheet. Okay, now if you have to see, we are continuing this problem further. Why? Because the previous year the average cost was 5,400. Now this is less than the previous average cost. Okay, less than the previous value. Okay, so that is the reason we continue this problem. Okay, 2,375 is less than 5,400. So I'm just going for the next page. Okay, so the note is, as the average cost of the second year is less than the average cost of the first year, therefore we continue this problem. Okay, so we will continue this problem further. Now when we continue this problem, these are all the calculation for the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh year. So same way, cumulative maintenance cost is calculated, resale value is already given, C minus S plus cumulative cost column is also calculated, and these are all the average cost. Now just observe the average cost for the third year. Average cost for the third year is nothing but the total cost, that is 6,250 divided by the third year. Okay, which comes out to be 2083.3. Okay, so likewise for the fourth year it will be 6,950 divided by 4, which comes out to be 1,737.5, which is written here. Okay, the calculation. So likewise, if you have to see, for the sixth year the average cost was 1,541. For the seventh year it is 1,564. There is a slight increase. Okay, so that is the reason the problem stops here, and we can say that the machine has to be replaced at the end of the sixth year. Why? Because for the seventh year the average cost has increased. Okay, so that is the conclusion. The average cost of the sixth year is 1,541, and the average cost of the seventh year is 1,564.2. The average cost of the seventh year is more than the sixth year, therefore we stop the problem. Optimum replacement year is sixth year. Okay, if you have any queries, you can just WhatsApp my number or you can call me. Thank you.